Hi, my name is John Lloyd Diucamis, a third-year Technology Communication Management student at the University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. In this presentation, I'll share a bit about my background, skills and experiences, and why I'd be a great fit for your organization. I'm studying Technology Communication Management, where I've learned how to design presentations, create strategies, and use digital tools to connect people and ideas. My skills include creating effective presentations, working well in teams, and using tools like Microsoft PowerPoint, Canva, and Google Workspace. I can also speak English, Tagalog, and Visayan, which helps me work with different groups of people. In my first year, I joined the Strategic Communication Office in our school for immersion. I learned to edit videos and graphics, use cameras for shoots, and create content. I also wrote articles, which helped improve my writing. This experience taught me teamwork, creativity, and how to handle different tasks. Recently, my proudest moment was when our class campaign project won several awards. We worked hard on it, so it felt amazing to see our efforts recognized. Outside school, I love helping people and listening to their life stories. It inspires me to understand real life better and find ways to connect and support others. Thank you for watching my visual resume. I am excited to bring my skills and passion to your team. You can reach me at my email and cell phone number.